create, effective until midnight Sunday. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and Nassau, New York, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, and New York Harbor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets.